the Holland America Line cruise at night. Dock here at Victoria, British Columbia, Canada. And this is the pier of Canada. In Canada, sorry. Alright, thank you for watching. Tonight is September 27, Friday night, 9 o'clock in the evening, Pacific time, at Victoria, British Columbia in Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.